up, guys? Mike here. Today I want to go over some news that came up regarding Landcadia Holdings, ticker symbol LCA, merging with Golden Nugget, soon to be GNOG. Now on Friday, some news came out and caused the stock to crash really hard and really fast, from all the way up to around $24.60 all the way to about $21. So I'm going to go over all of that. I'm going to tell you what happened in this, why did it go down so quickly, was there a crash, what you guys can do from this point, and also how you guys can buy some options and be able to get a 525% return on your money doing this bull call spread option, if you do choose to do so. And also know regarding that whenever you do any options, know every option has extreme amount of high risk, so you need to be very careful when it comes to options. So I'm going to go over all of that. I'm going to go over some charts, technical analysis. I'm going to go over what happened to LCA and how you guys can prepare for it, and how you can make a lot of money in the next 2 weeks coming up, because this is the opportunity. If you guys did not buy or own any shares of LCA the past few weeks and months, this is your opportunity to buy now and not FOMO when this stock skyrockets in the next few weeks. All right, this is your opportunity to get in. If there was a point in time where you had decided to get in but you were too scared to get in, this is now. Do not FOMO later and get burnt. I do not like to see my subscribers getting burnt when I tell you to get in now. This is your final chance. Do not buy the top, buy it now. This week it may go down a little bit, but it is in your opportunity cost. It is in your opportunity to get in while it is going to be still a little bit dirt cheap before it explodes over the next few weeks and months. All right, this is your last chance. Do not waste it. Do not throw it away. Get in while you still can and make the maximum return while you can. All right. So anyways, let's not waste any more time. Let's just jump to the video. Make sure you guys always smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's begin. Yeah. All right, guys, let's check out what's going on with Landcadia Holdings, ticker symbol LCA, merging with Golden Nugget. On Friday, there was a merger news announced that not enough people voted for the merger to happen. So what they did is they are delaying the merger for another 2 weeks until enough people go and vote. If you are a shareholder, I will give you a phone number to call. But the thing is, you must have owned your shares at least by the close of October 29 to be considered a shareholder and to be able to vote. If you did not own any shares on the closing day of October 29, you will not get any emails to vote. But if you owned it before October 29 and you did not get an email to vote, there is a number I'm about to post right here. It's 1-877-787-9239. Go and vote. The longer you take to vote, the longer you're pushing off the merger pretty much, and the longer it's going to take for you guys to get a nice return on your money. So this is what happened on Friday. Not enough votes came in, so it caused panic. It caused people to sell, and a lot of people's stop losses kicked in, right? That's what happened on Friday. People's stop losses kicked in, and the merger was pushed off for another 2 weeks. So it caused the stock to panic and drop all the way to about $20.26. Do expect the stock to be fluctuating around the $20 range within the next few weeks. It could go up at any time because people are extremely bullish on this, all right, or it could go down a little bit, all right. I think 20 is pretty much rock bottom because it is trading above the 20-day moving average, especially above the 20-day exponential moving average as well. And I think it's gonna free float around here for a little bit of time and then soon take off. I'll also go over some options where you can make a 525% return on your money doing a bull call spread, which is pretty good. Also know options are always extremely risky and you can lose every single penny that you put in a option. All right, now This stock can definitely go down within the next few days. MACD crossed over, TSI crossed over. Usually that's like a bearish signal. So do expect a little bit of blood within the next week, all right? Don't expect it to be green every single day. I expect a little blood coming up over the next week. And this is your moment to buy, all right? If you are not a shareholder and you would like to make a crazy amount of money with everyone else, this is your final opportunity to get into this stock before it skyrockets. I definitely still am super bullish on this. I definitely do see this going to 30 plus, minimum $30. Minimum, this stock will go to 30. If you are already a shareholder, what's another 2 weeks for you to hold this? It is nothing. What's another 2 weeks? You've been riding this crazy wave the last few months, right? What is another 2 weeks to go through some blood and then back to insane positivity? It's absolutely nothing. 2 weeks, right? That's like a snap in your finger, and then we're there, right? Already the histogram is shifting downwards, which is also another bearish signal. So I want to tell you guys, there is going to be some negative time. This stock could be going down for a little bit, all right? There is some bearish coming up, but don't be sad. This is opportunity to not only get in, but whoever already owns shares, this is your opportunity to add more shares. And honestly, to be honest with you, I'm actually considering adding more shares to my position and even adding more call options to my position as well. And just so you know, it's all going to plan out well. What's another 2 weeks to me is absolutely nothing. I've been extremely patient. I've been telling people to buy at $11. I was screaming at people to buy at $11. I have a video. It's dirt cheap. And guys, if you do not know how to vote, I have a previous video I'm going to show you. It's going to pop up, and a link up in here is going to show you and tell you, go there if you want to watch the video and learn how to vote. I do specific instructions on the email that you can go and do and vote. If you don't know how to vote, you don't understand how to vote, I have instructions laid out in my previous LCA video that I'm going to pop up. The link will come up here and you will see it. Click on it, please, and go learn how to do it if you have not done also. Also, call the number that I'm leaving up here if you are a shareholder. All right, as stated by the SEC, you must have been a shareholder by the close of business day of October 29 to be participating in the vote. If you did not own any shares by October 29, you will not get a proxy to go and vote. They will not send you an email to vote, right? You had to own shares by the closing date of October 29 to get vote in your mail, all right? And that's the only thing. They were supposed to do the meeting October 17th. They were going to close, and on December 18th, December 17th and December 18th was the merger date that they were going to meet, right? They had a virtual meeting. You could have went to this link. They posted this SEC document on the 17th, one day before the vote. So you could have went virtually and saw it online, what was going on, and be prepared, and you could have voted on that day, watch the merger happen, right? They're going to say the vote. They're going to say if the merger was going to be completed or not on this day, but unfortunately not enough people voted, all right? That was the issue. Not enough people voted. They're giving you guys 2 more weeks. They're extending it 2 more weeks so you guys can go and vote. This is still an extremely bullish stock. Do not sell. What's another 2 weeks of holding? Hold strong, have your diamond hands, and let's go on to stock options, how you guys can make a 525% doing a bull call spread on this. Guys, so if you want to make a 525% return, possibly, it is not guaranteed, and you want to do this bull call spread option with me, which I am doing, I picked the January 15, and I have already 10 contracts, right? That's what I did. And in order to do a bull call spread, you must buy the $25 call. All right, there's going to be a select option if you're doing on the app, but if you are doing it on the website, it's buy the $25 call, sell the $30 call. This is called a bull call debit spread. Right now, it costs about 0.87 cents, which is $87 per contract, and that is a very decent price. It probably might go down and fluctuate over the next few days, because if the stock goes down, this debit bull call spread will go down as well. But you have the opportunity of making a 525% return maximum once the stock goes above it goes above $30 plus. If it goes above $30 plus, you have hit a 525% return. It will not go higher than 525% return. That is the downside of a bull call spread. Its maximum is 525% on this specific stock if you are doing the January 15 call. If you're just going to do a regular call and you don't want to do this bull call spread, that's fine. What do I recommend? I still recommend doing the January 15 because it's only 2 more weeks. Merger should already go through by then. And what would I recommend is only the $30 and $25. I wouldn't go for the $35. I just see it's too volatile. It's way too volatile. Just be closer to the money. It's still dirt cheap. $1.48 per contract. It'll probably go down a little bit more this week. I think it's pretty cheap, right? And there's a lot of opportunity for you guys to make money. As I said, it's plus 10 contracts, minus 10 contracts. Why? Because I'm buying 10, 25, and I'm selling 30s, right? So that's what a bull call spread is. You're buying 2 different contracts, 1 buy, 1 sell, and it has a very nice maximum potential return. All right, make sure you guys know there is a risk with this that you could lose all your money. All right, it cost me about $900 to do this. I bought it at 0.90 cents. I thought it was a pretty good deal, and I bought 10 of them, and I'm happy with my contracts because I know I'm going to get a nice return on this. Thanks again for watching my video. As always, make sure to smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so YouTube could alert you when my next video comes out. Also, feel free to add me on Instagram. I do post my buys and sells on Instagram, so make sure to follow me on Instagram. Link in below. Also, guys, leave a comment below. Let me know what other stocks you guys would like me to do a video on. Or if you have a question on a specific stock, let me know, and I try to do my best and answer you on that specific question or video that I might make just for you. Also, guys, if you want right now 4 free stocks, WeBull is giving 4 free stocks right now. 1 for just signing up to use their platform, and 3 additional more free stocks when you make a deposit of $100 or more, and WeBull will give you 4 stocks, all a minimum of $8 all the way up to $1,600. Also, if you want another free stock, First Trade gives free stocks. Check the links in the description below for all of those. And if you want another free stock, Robinhood always gives a free stock as well. Thanks again so much for watching my video, and until next time, make money with Mike.